Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want tasks to automatically reappear in Todoist without recreating them? Let me show you how to set up repeating tasks using only free features. First, recurring tasks are available on the free plan. This is one of the most powerful free features you can use. Method 1, type natural language in the task title. This is the fastest way. Type your task followed by the repeat pattern. Todoist highlights the detected date in red. For example, morning run every Monday at 8 a.m. or send invoice every 2 Fridays. Method 2, use the visual scheduler. Click the task, then the date picker. Tap repeat and choose a preset or build a custom pattern. Basic intervals that work for free. Try every day for daily tasks, every week for weekly, every month for monthly, or every weekday for Monday through Friday. For specific days, type every Monday or every Monday, Wednesday, Friday for multiple days. For the first or last day of month, type every first or every last day. Here's a key difference. Every Saturday repeats on Saturdays regardless of completion. Every week repeats based on your original due date. Every 3 days repeats 3 days after you complete it. One limitation on free plan: you cannot set reminders on recurring tasks without upgrading to Pro, and that's it. With natural language and the visual scheduler, you can automate all your repeating routines for free. If you set up a recurring task, let me know your most common repeat schedule in the comments. See you in the next one.